Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Garmin Venu Pro tips step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Garmin Venu. Take a moment to review the contents, ensuring you have the device, charging cable, and quick start guide. Charge the device using the included cable and a power source. Ensure the watch is fully charged before proceeding. Download the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Open the app and create a Garmin account if you don't have one already. Log into your account and select the option to add a new device. Turn on your Garmin Venu by pressing and holding the side button. Follow the on-screen prompts on the watch to select your language. Once selected, choose to pair the watch with your smartphone. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for pairing. The Garmin Connect app will search for your Venu. When it appears, select the Venu to initiate the pairing process. Confirm the Bluetooth code displayed on both the watch and the app. After confirmation, your watch will sync with the app. Customize your settings on the Garmin Connect app, including activity preferences. Set up any health and fitness goals you wish to track. Explore the different watch faces available in the app and select your favorite. Sync your watch again once you've made your selections. Familiarize yourself with the main features on your Venu by navigating through the menus. Test features such as heart rate monitoring and activity tracking to ensure they are working correctly. Set up notifications for calls, texts, and apps through the Garmin Connect app. Configure your preferred music streaming services, if applicable. Sync your music to the watch for offline listening. Take your Garmin Venu for a test run or walk to see how it tracks your activities. Check the app afterward to review your performance data and metrics. Make adjustments to your settings based on your initial experience. Enjoy your new Garmin Venu and take advantage of its many features for an active lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.